Hello, and welcome to another English lesson. I'm Finn, and today we're going to learn some of the most commonly confused words in English. Many English learners mix these words up because they look similar or have related meanings. By the end of this lesson, you'll know exactly when to use each one. Let's get started. Say and tell. Our first words are say and tell. We use say when we repeat someone's words. I said hello. She said thank you. We use tell when we give information to someone. Please tell me your name. He told me the truth. Your turn. What word goes in the blank space? Answer, tell. Did you get it right? Speak and talk. Next are speak and talk. We use speak for languages and formal conversations. I speak English. She speaks Spanish. We use talk when two or more people have a conversation. We talked after school. Let's talk tomorrow. Your turn. What word goes in the blank space? Answer, speak. Did you get it right? Hear and listen. Now let's look at hear and listen. Hear happens naturally. I can hear the music. Listen means you pay attention. Please listen carefully. Your turn. What word goes in the blank space? Answer, listen. Did you get it right? Look and see. Next to look and see. Look means to move your eyes towards something. Look at the board. See means your eyes notice something. I can see a bird. Your turn. What word goes in the blank space? Answer, look. Did you get it right? Borrow and lend. Our next pair is borrow and lend. Borrow means you take something and return it later. Can I borrow your pen? Lend means you give something to someone. I can lend you my book. Your turn. What word goes in the blank space? Answer, lend. Did you get it right? Bring and take. Next are bring and take. Bring means move something toward the speaker. Please bring your homework. Take means move something away. Take your bag home. Your turn. What word goes in the blank space? Answer, bring. Did you get it right? Job and work. Now let's learn job and work. A job is your occupation. My job is a chef. Work is the activity you do. I have a lot of work today. Your turn. What word goes in the blank space? Answer, job. Did you get it right? House and home. Next to house and home. A house is a building. Our house is white. A home is where you live and feel comfortable. I'm happy to be home. Your turn. What word goes in the blank space? Answer, home. Did you get it right? Do and make. Our next pair is do and make. We use do for work, homework, and activities. I do my homework. We use make when we create something. I made a cake. Your turn. What word goes in the blank space? Answer, do. Did you get it right? Trip and travel. Finally, let's look at trip and travel. A trip is a journey. We went on a trip to London. Travel means going from one place to another. I love to travel. Your turn. What word goes in the blank space? Answer, travel. Did you get it right? Excellent work! Today you learned 10 pairs of English words that many learners confuse. Remember, the more you read, listen, speak, and practice English, the easier it becomes to choose the correct word. Can you think of another pair of confusing English words? Write your answer in the comments below. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more easy English lessons. Until next time. Why not fill out the quiz at the end of this video?